Hi everyone. In this presentation, I am going to brief you, or I would like to explain you about the preparation of Indian Engineering Service Examination, which is normally conducted by every year by Union Public Service Commission of Commission, UPSC in short. UPSC is a central government body which conducts various uh, competitive examinations in order to recruit Group A, Group B level gazetted and the non-gazetted officers throughout various central government organizations and then departments. Out of which, especially for considering the engineering graduates, especially those who are completed from four disciplines, namely civil engineering, as well as mechanical engineering, as well as electrical engineering, and then electronics and telecommunication engineering graduates. Those who are completed their graduation from these four disciplines, these graduates are eligible to appear for Indian Engineering Services Examinations, or in short, this examination can also be called as Engineering Service Examination. So normally this is conducted by UPSC once in a year. On regular basis, every year this examination will be conducted. And similarly, for this upcoming mains in 2023, also the recruitment notification has already issued by UPSC and the application process also completed. Now the only part is remaining is that those who are appeared or applied for this examination, now this is the time for to prepare well. And today I thought that definitely it is good to bring forth some of the very important things, so that it is like a alert, or you can consider it as. And mainly, so how to prepare the examination. So basically it is the pattern of this engineering service examination is something different. In earlier it was actually 3 days examination, but now last few years at least, the pattern was changed now. So as you have in JEE examinations, in the same pattern we have preliminary examination as well as the mains examination in this engineering services also. In preliminary examination, again it will be conducted for one day only, and in preliminary examinations again you will have two papers, actually paper 1 and then paper 2. And this preliminary examination for engineering service examination is called stage 1 examination. This is the stage 1 examination in which you have paper 1 and then paper 2. And again in paper 1 it includes the general studies and then engineering aptitude test. General studies and engineering aptitude test, that is the content of the syllabus for paper 1. And normally this will be covered by any other for any other competitive examinations like the polity and then environment and engineering mathematics. And you can have the syllabus actually if you log on www.upsc.gov.in. if you log on in this website, and you will be get lot of information, the complete notification details as well as the pattern of examination, and every detail you will have, including your syllabus also, right? And in preliminary examination means in a stage 1 examination, so in the paper 1 you will be asked from general studies and then engineering aptitude test. So you will be asked for 100 questions. You will be asked for 100 questions for 200 marks. Probably you may have in the forenoon of the on that day particular, and the date was also given, it is 19th February 2023. The examination date of preliminary examination of this ESE, means Engineering Services Examination 2023, is on 19th February 2023. It is on Sunday. Normally, all the central government examinations will be held or conducted on Sundays, because that is the convenient day for both graduates as well as the officials, those who will, for invigilator purpose also, right? So, in paper 1, you will be asked for 100 questions for 200 marks. And similarly, in the afternoon on that day, 19th February, in the afternoon session, we will have the next part, that is the paper 2. Paper 2 covers actually the entire technical syllabus. As I have explained you just now, from out of these 4 disciplines, means civil engineering, mechanical engineering, triple E, and then the electronics and telecommunication engineering, in the respective discipline. So they will ask the multiple choice questions. In fact, in paper 1 also, you will be asked multiple choice questions only. You will be given 4 options. Out of 4, you must choose one correct answer, and your marks will be awarded. And in paper 2, normally the paper 2 will be conducted on the afternoon session on that 19th February 2023, and you will be asked, it is 150 questions, and then it is for 300 marks. 150 questions for 300 marks, covering the total entire syllabus, which was formulated by the Public Service Commission. So the syllabus was formulated by them actually, and you must ensure and you must thoroughly prepare the total syllabus of this technical discipline concerned. So this paper 2 is completely in technical point of view only, no general, nothing. Only technical questions will be asked, 150 questions will be asked, and it is for 300 marks. Remember that there is a negative marking is there in both paper 1 as well as paper 2. There will be 1/3 of the negative marking will be there. Therefore, if you combine both paper 1 as well as paper 2, so for paper 1 it will be asked for 200 marks, as well as for paper 2 it is for 300 marks. So collectively 200 plus 300, it is 500 marks your preliminary examination will be conducted. So your preliminary examination will be for 500 marks, will be conducted on one day, means on 19th February 2023. So this is the coverage of your preliminary examinations. And remember that UPSC commission will also will select or will put one cutoff marks individually. So therefore you must qualify, you must obtain the marks above the cutoff marks. Normally, depending on various parameters, the commission has its own rights to put certain cutoff marks and percentage in order to qualify the students that stage 1 examination. Therefore, once those who will qualify, who will get marks above that cutoff, you will be only you will be called for to appear main examinations. Those who are not qualified, they will be disqualified. They are disqualified. They are not called for the second stage examination, stage 2 examination. Stage 2 is nothing but mains examination. So those who were obtained, the marks above cutoff marks, those students or graduates will be, those will be called for to appear mains examinations. Now coming to the mains part. So mains examination, again obviously you will have some at least 2 to 3 months gap will be there, and again it is on 25th June 2023. The mains examination will be conducted on 25th June 2023. This is again on Sunday, and again the examination will be conducted on again it has paper 1 as well as paper 2. Again on that day you will have the examination on forenoon as well as afternoon, and it is a 3 hours of duration examination. So on forenoon, it is a conventional type examination. It is not objective type, it is a conventional type, essay type actually. So it will be conducted on both the noons, after forenoon as well as afternoon. So therefore, and it is again for these two papers are there. Okay, so you have to prepare well. Then again, after completion of this examination, you have to obtain the cutoff marks again. So the commission will put again cutoff marks for this conventional paper also, and collectively those who will qualify the overall cutoff marks in both the preliminary as well as this main examination, and then these graduates or students will be called for the personality test. Personality test, nothing but it is an interview. Normally it will be held in New Delhi. So commissions will inform to every graduate who qualified the overall cutoff marks. Clear? So this is what and again your paper 2 is for 600 marks normally. So your paper 1 is for 300 marks, as well as the paper 2 is also for another 300 marks. Therefore your paper 2 will be 300 plus 300 is 600 marks. For 600 marks paper 2 will be conducted. Therefore your preliminary examination is for 500 marks, as well as your paper 2 will be 600 marks. Therefore 500 plus 600, it is 1100 marks. Your total examination will be for 1100 marks. And similarly the rest part is obviously it is a personality test. Basically it is for 200 marks again. So 200 plus 1100, it is overall 1300 marks the overall examination will be. Therefore for personality test also there will be cutoff actually. Remember that is the most toughest part of this examination. Okay, so depending on the number of students qualified and as well as to filter the number of candidates, and obviously you will face little bit difficult in this personality development test, or simply you can call it as interview. This is the final stage. You can call it as a stage 3 qualification, stage 3 qualifying test actually. So there are 3 stages. Stage 1 is the preliminary, stage 2 is the mains, stage 3 is the final interview you can call. After this there is no further actually, and those who are qualified the overall cutoff actually, and finally you will be awarded that yes, you qualified in the ESE examination, and after that the commission will offer you letter based on your merit and then vacancy available in the respective departments. So this is how the simple pattern of this ESE examination. And especially so here how to plan. So guys, I would like to tell you one thing is that it is a quite important to put your mind in very stable minded manner. Unless if you do not do that, it is highly difficult to crack the examination. Only it is definitely possible that if you sharpen and if you put your brain under control, and then you must have a stable minded setup, and you must have your own way of planning how to prepare, and means how much time is there for the preliminary examination, like that. And so you must able to cover all the syllabus actually, because one important thing is that, and the examination pattern or the questions normally you will expect in UPSC IAS is something different than the questions normally you will be facing GATE examination. There is a lot of and very important differences there between GATE examination as well as the UPSC IAS examination. In GATE examination, it is completely formula oriented, completely formulas oriented. So you must know the formula and you must get the answer. That's it. In fact, you must know the basics also, but it is a formula oriented basically. So number of formulas you need to practice and remember, and you must by heart even. Whereas in UPSC IAS examination, it is not like the GATE examination. It is something theoretical basically. Okay, therefore you must have the knowledge of it, and you must have the grip, the basic foundation one should have with respect to their disciplines. And probably as I personally belongs to electronics background, therefore I advise you all, especially for the graduates belonging to these 4 disciplines as I mentioned, as per that commission's requirement also. So nothing to feel bored or nothing to feel worry. Only thing is that you must always focus on the syllabus, and you must think about yourself, and you must continuously analyze yourself. Let us take one subject and evaluate yourself, where you are, how much you know. So, for the thing which you do not know, let us start and immediately. Do not keep on thinking and do not be in imaginations that. So it's not like that. So you must have a systematic way of planning and preparation and continuous hard work. Like I used to say repeatedly that determination, devotion, and dedication, these three parameters will definitely brings you to crack the examination. Therefore, so make the notes of brief notes of each and every topic of each subject, and you continuously refer that, continuously thoroughly check, and like that. So don't waste each and every minute. Is a valuable time, is in fact a valuable time, will not stop for you and for me, for anybody, because time has no mercy, nothing. Time is very, very important. We should run with time, then the time will also cooperate us. Clear? If we respect time, time will respect us. Remember that. And I, with this, I think I want to give you this much information. And furthermore, you can definitely log on to www.upsc.gov.in. There you will find a lot of information about this, right? So what I want to convey through this presentation is that you definitely can achieve, you definitely can crack, once that there is a condition, once you have a pakka planned preparation timetable is required, and you must follow that. So never relax till you complete your mission. You must consider it as a mission, then only you can able to. Okay, so sometimes required, right? I think I hope that you understood this, and with this I wish you all the very best for your upcoming Indian Engineering Service Examination 2023. All the best. See you.